This video is sponsored by Aliexpress. And welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to start out by showing you 3 items that I picked up from Aliexpress for only 99 cents. Can you believe that? Currently, Aliexpress has a wide variety of things that are on sale at 3 for 99 cents. Although my channel is mostly about DIYs, it's also about helping you save money. So when I find great deals, I like to share them with you. Now, this deal is for new Aliexpress users only. Aliexpress has thousands of goods to choose from. And I forgot to mention that the 3 for 99 cents deal comes with free shipping. And speaking of shipping, my items arrived in 7 days instead of 2 weeks. So the first thing I got was the smart bulb. And as you can see, it's a color changing bulb. Now, when I selected this bulb, I actually selected the wrong base, so I can't use it for any of my lamps, but luckily I do have a color changing smart bulb that I picked up from Aliexpress last year, and I'll show you guys how it looks. As for this bulb, I'll open it up and let you see what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and this is the base. Whenever you choose your bulb, make sure you choose the right base, and it comes with this little leaflet, and it shows you how to use it with your smartphone. So I really like that. You don't have to worry about any extra remotes, and that's a plus for me because Lord knows I have way too many remotes. And the second thing that I chose is this really cute purse. And it's perfect for the little ones. I like the shape of it. And I absolutely love the color. It's perfect for fall. And on the inside, there's a chain, so you can wear it as a crossbody. And it has a simple little clasp on there, like a lobster claw. And here's the place where you put it. You just snap it on. Same thing with the other side. And now you have this chain, and you can wear it as a crossbody. I think it's absolutely adorable. And it will make the perfect Christmas gift. So what I'll do is stuff it with some paper to show you what it looks like once you put your items on the inside. But look at that. Finally, guys, girls, Glam fam, you will not believe this. Okay, I'm so excited. We have this beautiful watch. It's gorgeous. And it has a matching bracelet. And I think it's called a Cuban link. And as you can see, it comes with the lobster claw clasp. And let's get to the watch. Now, it came in this plastic, of course. It's only 33 cents for these 2 pieces, okay? I still can't get over that. But it still has plastic on the band that you can remove later. Now look at the face. This is my favorite part. Of course, I love the color. I love those additional faces on the inside. I love the fact that it has the date. Then it has the 3 dials on the side that controls the date and time and all of that good stuff. So, yeah. Now remember, if you've shopped with Aliexpress before, then this offer does not apply to you. But remember, you'll still find very inexpensive gifts that are cheaper than wholesale prices. Trust me, you won't find these prices on other websites. Alright, so now let's get on with the DIY. Here I have a faux stack of books that's actually a tissue holder. And I found this at Goodwill. This piece was actually loose, so I found 2 screws here and screwed those in. And I also added a little bit of glue just to make sure it stays. And here's the price. It was only $2.09. Of course, I want to give this a new life. I want to glam it up. And the first thing I'm going to do is actually wipe it down, make sure it's clean. And then I'm going to spray paint it with this white spray paint. If I had primer, I would use that. And the reason I'm using white is because the colors are so dark. And I want to make sure that when I put my silver spray paint on top, that's really pretty and bright silver, okay? Again, I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. I'm going to spray paint it white. Once I spray paint it white, I'll come back in and let you see what it looks like. Then I'll go outside and spray paint it silver, and then we'll move on to the DIY. And you can still see a little bit of coloring, but that's okay. This is what it looks like on the inside. You can spray paint the inside if you want to, but I don't feel like it's necessary. So now I'll take this outside and spray paint it silver. So I'll do that and then come back. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I'm done spray painting my Kleenex holder silver. And here's again what it looks like on the inside. I'm going to start out by adding some of my diamond bling to my book. I'm going to put it right here on the binders on all three. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut about 3 rows of the bling, and then I will attach it to the binder of the books. It's definitely time to order some more, so I'll link it below in the description. So I'm just going to flip this over like this, and I'm going to add some of my Gorilla Glue. Now this bling has adhesive on the back, but after a while it will raise, and I want this to be permanent. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some of this glue to make it stick indefinitely. So now I'll just measure and cut. Pull the backing off and lay it on top of the glue. And I'll do the same thing for the remainder. Okay, so I'm done putting on my diamond bling. Now the glue is not dry, it's slightly tacky. So what I'll do is come in periodically and tag down these sides to make sure that it all sticks down. Once that's done, I'll move on to the next step. So next I'll use some of this flower bling to decorate the top. Now I could just cut it in strips and lay it on the top, but I won't do it that way because of the opening on the top. So what I'll do is cut each flower individually and then hot glue them on. Whenever I cut flower bling, I always use a lighter to burn off those strings. So now I'll go ahead and use some hot glue to glue my flowers down to the top of my tissue box. Okay, as you can see, I'm almost done adding all of my flowers on the top of my tissue box. But I have these small little spaces on the end. So I'll just line up the flower and then cut it to size and then glue it down. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this over like this and put some of my flowers just on the back of this book. I'm not going to do them the same way that I did the top. I'm just going to put them randomly. Next, I'll hot glue some of these rhinestones to the center of each flower. Okay, now I'm done adding the rhinestones to each flower here. Now I'll add rhinestones to the flowers that's on top of the box as well. Now that I'm done adding my rhinestones, I'm going to cut one row of my mirror towel and then glue some of the strips to my box. I'm done adding a mirror towel around the top and the bottom, and then I went on the inside of the bottom as well. I put some here, like in the inside of the book. Now I'll put some there. Okay, so this is what we have. Now as for this, I think I might add some mirror towel on this. So let's see how thick it needs to be. I'm going to add some glue here. Okay guys, so this is what we have so far. Again, this is the front, and I really like the way that looks. So later I will go in and cover this with some felt. I'll come in with a paintbrush and paint this silver as well later. But yeah, this is what it looks like on the front. So we still have to address the sides. Now, where these books separate, I'm going to use some more of this bling. Just 2 rows, just to separate it. Now I'll do this one, then I'll come around and do it here and here as well, and then come back. Okay guys, I'm done adding my diamond bling on the books. For the center book pages, I want to add glitter. And I'm also going to add glitter right here on each book as well. I have my Mod Podge. All right, just like that. My glitter is completely dry. So now I'll use this Got To Be hairspray to seal the glitter in place. So I'm just gonna shake it up, spray it on there. And remember, you wanna put it there as well. The thing that I like about the hairspray is it still allows the glitter to keep its bling, and it really sets the glitter permanently. So I'm gonna let that dry. I'll come back in with 1 more coat, maybe 2. And we'll add some silver leaf to these pages, and we'll be done. Okay, so the glitter has completely set up, and it's not going anywhere. So I'm gonna add some of this Wicked Stickers, and I put some in this little cup to this book and this book. Once it sets up, I'll go ahead and add the silver leaf to it. Okay guys, so now my Wicked Stick-It is ready. Now I'll add the silver leaf. Okay, so I've added silver leaf on both books all the way around. And here I still need to clean it up, so I'll go ahead and clean that up. And then I'll come back and let you guys see what it looks like completed. And as promised, here's my beautiful Glam Tissue Box. And I absolutely love it. Again, this was a Goodwill find, but if I find it online, I'll link it for you below. Okay everyone, this concludes the tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. The Aliexpress 828 big promotion is coming up, and it's 50% off all items. The official dates for these deals will be from August 21st until August the 28th, so don't miss out. Aliexpress has the best prices, the best choices, so why not give them a try? Thank you Aliexpress for sponsoring this video.